is commonly practiced in many fruit trees and ornamental plants whose cuttings do not easily root. The two important methods of layering are mound layering and air layering. The technique of mound layering is practiced in jasmine, strawberry, apple, etc. The lower branch of the plant is bent down, close to the ground and covered with moist soil in such a way that its growing tip remains above the soil surface. This bent branch is called a layer. After a few days, the covered portion of the stem usually produces adventitious roots. The rooted branch is then cut off from the parent plant and grown as an independent plant. The formation of adventitious roots in a layer can be hastened by injuring the layer by tonguing, ringing or notching. In tonguing, an oblique upwards cut is made on the stem. In ringing, a complete ring of bark, about 2 centimeters wide, is removed from the stem, whereas in notching, a V-shaped cut is given somewhere through the middle of the stem. Air layering technique, also known as goutte, is usually employed in those plants where stem branches cannot be bent to the ground. Pomegranate, orange, guava, lychee, etc. are the examples of such plants. The stem is girdled, that is, a ring of bark tissue is removed or slit at an upward angle and then covered with moist moss or cotton and wrapped with a polythene bandage to prevent drying. In drier climate, an earthen pot with a hole at the bottom is hanged over the bandage in a convenient position and the two are connected by a soft cotton cord. The pot is then filled with water. Water, when trickles down the cord, keeps the bandage constantly moist. Auxins may be applied to the girdle region to promote the root formation. Adventitious roots are formed above the girdle portion. After rooting, the stem is cut off below the girdle portion and planted in the soil. Before planting, leaves are usually removed from the stem to prevent transpiration.